Good day guys, welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel. Our because are doing great. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to import up to 3 to 4 design on your resources to your Pixellab, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and other um PS tools does this. So we have gotten the way on how to do this on your Pixellab on your smartphone. So this will be good for Android graphic designer, those who use smartphone to design. So this is one of the best thing you should learn in this 2022, and this is trending. So you should know how to do this and how to import like 5 to 6 resources on your Pixel app. So without wasting much of your time, I would like to show you something. I would like to show you what I do here on my Instagram. So you can follow me as the Instagram. We're currently having 251 followers, the ish guy. So you can follow me on Instagram. I do share a lot of content that will be benefiting you. So 5 qualities you have a graphic designer is one of the content I'm sharing. One common virus that can kill your design career. So let this come mindset. So you can see some design also there. So for graphic design principle that will make your design look better. So 5 mistakes in graphic design. So I'll share a lot of content here. Also on Facebook. Just search at the each guy on Facebook, on Twitter, and also on LinkedIn. So just the one name. So let's go back to our Facebook pixel app. So without wasting our time, you will see a text code. You will see this one the pick color is on. You will see sticker, import, draw, shape, bezier, arrow. Also the you see color, transparent, image size, crop, image from gallery, from camera. So you will also see this rotate, vignette, noise, stripe, brightness, contrast, and saturation. So we are using this one at the middle. This one I'm clicking on that saying we are using the import there. This import, we are using the import here. So before you can get this stuff and before you can upload like 3 to 4 resources there, you can actually this how to do it. You will have to click this import very fast, like 3 to 4 times. So you click on it very fast. So let's go on it. So I have to click the import very fast, like 3 times or 4 times. So you have to click it very fast. Sorry, I talk too fast. That's how I talk. So just like people call me the circle of browsing. So let's continue. So you have to click this import like 4 times very fast. So let's go. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So good. So now it will bring here. So let's assume I want to how to import this content. So this resources. Let me assume I want to import this these resources. So you have to click on it. So long click on it. Then after you long click on it, then you click on select. So can you see the select here? So you click on select. So can you see it? You go back to another image you want to put. So this, let me actually want to select this one. You do the same, press on it. You click on select. So and that one, so let's assume how to put this image. Don't press it again. You click on your select. So can you say, okay, I tap it 3 times. Though that means give me 3 image. So can you see? Can you see? So can you see it? So can you see it? So let's try it once again. Click on inlet. Click on import like 4 or 6 times. How many you want to do? Just click. Good. So I'm going to click on one. Select. Select. So that means I could tap it like 2 times. That is it. Okay, like 3 times. So this one too is also 3 times. So this is how I got this. So if you like this content, don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more beautiful content like this. So thank you for watching up to now. Thank you.